Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam. If you love luxury fashion, then you definitely love my channel, so make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my Instagram below for all of the latest updates. And today, let's get right into it. In today's video, I have a really exciting video because we will be playing around with my Balenciaga medium-sized hourglass bag in the color white. And honestly, this is just such a cute bag. I honestly love it so much. However, if you know, Balenciaga does make the same bag, but covered in caution tape. And I think that bag is just so cute. Would I get it? I kind of would, but also why buy it when I could just make my own? So in this video, we will be making my Balenciaga Hourglass bag into the caution tape version. Because obviously I have the caution tape, and I figured how cute would it be just to like wrap it all around and see what it would turn out as. Now I will say that the actual Balenciaga caution bag, they do have like on the actual caution tape, it will say like Balenciaga instead of caution, but I mean it's honestly just as fine. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and decorate my Balenciaga bag and, you know, make it very cautionable. We now have the Balenciaga bag, and I do have all of my caution tape. Now with this bag, I think it will be the safest bet to first go ahead and open it. First, let's go ahead and take out the strap on the inside. And then go ahead, you know, just unbuckle it off. So with the strap off, I think I have enough room to where I could first open it like this and wrap around this top part. And then once the top of it is actually opened and like wrapped up, then I can probably like drag it down to the rest of the bag. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Let's start by wrapping the top right here. However, I'm not exactly sure how I want to do this. I know probably starting with the third caution and maybe putting this one right here would be the best option. So let's go ahead and start with this section right here. Twist this part right here. That way it could fold over like this. And let's go over that way like this. And then drag this part right underneath. Okay, so far, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit harder than it looks. I think I need tape. Let me go ahead and get some tape, because I could, you know, tape it together. Okay, I am now restarting with the tape. I'm gonna go ahead and take that part off. But okay, let's go ahead and fix this. This is a little harder than it does look. So let me just stick this on that for now. Yeah, definitely harder than it definitely looks. Maybe for the price of this, I might just buy the one with the tape on it already. Might be the easiest way. Seal this in right here. So I'm going to tape these two layers together instead of tying it around like I did last time. And now with this like this, perfect position. This magnet's a little hard to open sometimes. But voila! Now we can go ahead and do this. Maybe cut this piece off right here. Let's get rid of this piece right here. So let's go ahead and cut that off. Fantastic. Then, okay, now we just have one nice piece. Let's go ahead, fix this. Don't hate that. Kind of has like an A here. Kind of says like intuition in a way. My intuition is telling me that I like this. Whatever is happening here. Go back down this way one last time. The corners are going to be a little tricky. Maybe I'll just leave the bottom for now and I'll do that part last because I could take like separate pieces. Let's now take this and wrap it kind of like a twilly. Okay, it's not bad, not bad. Do you imagine if this actually like stained my bag though? Like if I take my bag off, like if I take all this tape off and my entire bag is like yellow and orange. Well, not orange, but yellow and black. Okay, and this part would have to like tape. Okay, so again, this is not like super professional. It's just a fun moment to do. However, the back of it, I don't know how to do the back and the sides of it. Oh, I do know how to do the back. Okay, I figured it out. Let's go ahead and tape that here and then cut that part off. We're gonna go ahead and reopen it. Do this so the back can be lined. Go ahead, take a piece of tape. Right there will be fine. Then with the back open, stay. How dare you? I need more tape. More tape. With that back open, I can go ahead. Oh my, you just will not stay, will you? But that's fine. I'm gonna take this and wrap it all around. Okay, as you can see, it's not the greatest, but we're doing it. Oh wait, I can't open it now, can I? No, I can. Yeah, I can still open it. Okay, perfect. Go ahead, take that there. Voila. So now I'm gonna go ahead. Ooh, that looks really cute right there, actually. Ah! Okay, we're getting somewhere. Take that there. Very messy, but you know. How cute. Ooh, okay, I'm not gonna lie. I like it. The inside I don't care about. Obviously, I'm like at a point where I'm not really taking this like super seriously anymore. But I'm still dedicated and I'm going to finish this. The only problem with this is like, it's just so difficult because it keeps going like inside out. And I think this would be easier if you do it in pieces. Like obviously not use just one giant strand of caution tape. But if you do it in sections, obviously it's gonna be better. At this point, I'm just like, just get it on it. Don't even care that it's backwards at this point. But, okay, total fail, but this is fun. This is so fun. We're all having the time of our lives right now. And, ooh, I like how that's laid right there. It says, like, California. It's also very, like, chic, kind of like Chanel. Woohoo! Wow, ladies and gentlemen. Look, we almost have the Balenciaga Caution Tape bag. Ah! Okay, so I'm actually not gonna lie. This is actually genuinely kind of like so super cute. Like, cause like the shape of it and all, of course, like the real one, like, you know, it would be taped here, so you still have the hourglass shape of it. But for just like playing around and fun, this is so cute. I have to go ahead and cover this up just because like how can I not? Okay. Well, I think I am done with this. I think I have settled and this is the final moment of attempting to make the Balenciaga Hourglass bag into their Balenciaga Caution Tape bag. Now, again, this is actually really, really cute. I'm not gonna lie. I never thought that I would want a bag full of caution tape because it's also just very like bee, like, you know, because like bees are yellow and black. And it's just like, do I need that? It's also kind of very Moschino. However, I do like the fact how I did layer it like that because you get the same word over and over again. But because you see different sections of the word, it's kind of cool. Like, you know, different parts say different things to you. For some reason, this makes me want to think of like Louis Vuitton. This one makes me think of intuition. This makes me think of caution. But this makes me think of cats right here because like the T's cut off. And oh my god, how cute is that though? So again, this is my custom-made, homemade Balenciaga hourglass bag with the caution tape. Again, so super cute. Tell me what did you think about us doing it together. It does even open. Ooh la la, would you look at that? It's functional still. And then it even magnets, surprisingly. Like, because you can see like where you put the magnet, it's right there underneath. But look. Still magnetizes, so really good quality there. However, I'm going to take this off my back because I'm worried that I might stain it. But again, look how cute this is. Okay. So now let's go ahead and get this off of this. I think it might be pretty easy. Okay, no stains, no transfers of colors. Could you imagine if you just like didn't know I just like made this and you just see me like cutting it up like crazy? You're like, what are you doing to the bag? I did actually rip open, and I did destroy a bag before from PRADA. It was a fake PRADA, though. And I took the hardware off it to make customized necklaces. And that was just so cute and adorable. So if you want to see that video, I will have it linked up below and above, you know? And voila! My bag is back to normal. Ah, it looks naked now. How cute, how cute is that? It's like I have no clothes on. So yay, we love it. And again, tell me what you think in the comments, because I did like the way it turned out, but it wasn't the best, but it was fun. It's just so fun and just so cute, so I really do hope you guys did enjoy this video. Again, I am relocating to California full-time because my family's finally taken care of, my brother's finally taken care of, I had the time that I needed on the East Coast, and all signs just point to going back home to LA. But again, thank you so much for watching, I do appreciate it, and you definitely comment down below, how did you feel about me transferring this into the caution tape bag? And just give me all your opinions on it. And would you actually buy the real one as well? Like the real one that comes with the tape? So I'm not too sure. I think I would just buy this one and make it myself, because then you have 2 bags in one. But again, definitely comment your opinions down below. And again, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. And you, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below again, and have a great day. Au revoir.